Hi guys, welcome to Code with Cat, where we make Python coding fun and easy. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into strings in Python. Strings are one of the most common data types you will work with, and there's a lot you can do to manipulate them. Let's jump in. First, let's look at how to define strings in Python. A string is simply a sequence of characters, and you can define it using either single quotes or double quotes. You can write a string like this: my string equal to, and inside single quotes, hello Python, or this way with double quotes. Both are perfectly fine. Now that we have a string, let's move on to some string operations. One of the simplest things you can do with strings is concatenate or join them together, and you do that using the plus sign. Let's concatenate two strings. For example, greeting equal to hello, name equal to Alice, full underscore greeting equal to greeting, plus inside double quotes we are giving space, plus name. This gives us hello Alice because the plus sign combines the strings. Next, we have repetition. You can repeat a string using the asterisk. For example, message equal to Python into 3. This will print Python 3 times. See how it is easy to repeat a string? Now let's look at some useful string methods. These are built-in functions that allow you to manipulate and modify strings in a variety of ways. First up is upper. This method converts all the letters in a string to uppercase. Let's see, my string equal to hello, uppercase string is equal to my string dot upper. Now, uppercase string is of capital letters hello. Next, dot lower does the opposite, it converts everything to lowercase. Let's see an example. Another useful method is strip. This removes any leading or trailing white space from a string. Let's see, my string is equal to, inside double quotes, both starting and ending we have space, and middle we have Python is awesome string. Now, inside variable stripped string is equal to my string dot strip. After using dot strip, stripped string is Python is awesome without any space in the beginning or end. No extra spaces. Finally, dot split is a great method that splits a string into a list based on a specified delimiter. Example, we have a string here, my string equal to, inside double quotes will give apple, comma banana, comma orange. Fruit list equal to my string dot split. Inside split, we will specify the delimiter. Inside double quotes, we'll give comma. This splits my string into a list which contains 3 strings: apple, banana, orange. Now let's explore indexing and slicing in strings. Just like list, strings are indexed and you can access individual characters. To access a character, you use its index. Remember, Python starts counting from 0. Let's see an example. My string is equal to Python. First char equal to my string of 0. In this case, first char will be P. You can also use negative indexing to access characters from the end of the string. In this example, last char is equal to my string of -1. Here, last char will be n. Now, for slicing allows you to extract a portion of a string. Example, substring is equal to my string. In square brackets, you'll give 1 colon 4. This will give us YTH, which is the substring from index 1 to index 3. You can also omit one or both of the start and end indices. Example, substring is equal to my string square brackets colon 3. That is from the beginning to index 2. Let's see another example. Substring 2 equal to my string in square brackets 3 colon. That is from index 3 to the end. This two lines will give PYT and HON respectively. And that's a wrap on strings and string manipulation in Python. We have covered how to define strings, concatenate, repeat, and use some essential string methods like upper, lower, strip, and split. Plus, you learned how to index and slice strings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.